Ahmed has committed some of the most despicable crimes imaginable. He has been released from prison, but now we are told that he will not be deported because of a provision in the 1971 Immigration Act. The idea that he might be allowed to stay in this country because of a clause in a decades-old law designed for a completely different time and context. As recently as 2023, parole officers concluded that Ahmed poses, and I quote, a very high risk of serious harm to children. The law must be changed. And the government must now change this law to make sure that we can remove Ahmed. Members on this side of the House, including the Leader of the Opposition, have made clear that if the Home Secretary puts forward changes to the law which would allow us to deport Shabir Ahmed, we will support them. All that remains in question is whether the government has the will to act. If so, then we will be happy to support them. If it does not, people across this country will rightly ask, as they already are, whether this is a government that can really keep the British people safe.
I'm grateful for the Honourable Lady's question and subsequent follow-up. I share her anger, and I share her concern too at the anger of the British people who rightly expect that when foreign offenders break our laws, they're removed from our country. As I say, in the context, I couldn't be clearer that all options are on the table at this stage. I might gently say there was, of course, a significant period of time between conviction and the change of government where these changes weren't brought forward, including by some of them some individuals I expect to be co-signatories. Nevertheless, we are where we are. She offers that support, I think, is welcome, and I think the public will want to see Parliament come together to make sure that in cases where people commit really serious crimes, we're able to remove them from the country.